Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to do, of course, one of my favorite video to make, unboxing. So today I'm going to show you my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So we're gonna do an unboxing. So it includes the USB-C power adapter, and they give me some previous Go AirPod. Yeah, and what's this? We have the protective case and a tempered glass screen protector. We're gonna put this one too. So let's get started. So let's see. Okay, just a quick introduction. This is 256 GB in the color of gold, iPhone 14 Pro Max. So yeah, I bought it from Shut Up DG. They have like Ramadan offer. Of course, this doesn't include this, so you have to buy it separately, but since there's a Ramadan sale, so it includes this and this and this too. So yeah, so I paid like 4,900 dirham for all of this. So yeah, think it's time. So yeah, gonna open this from here. Ta-da! Oh my god. So actually yung mobile ko now is iPhone 11. So I was like, okay, let me update it. Oh my god. So this is it. We got the iPhone 14 Pro Max in gold color. So what is inside? They will give you, well, this is the manual, I guess. Yeah, the normal manual, and you know that pin to insert your SIM card, but and then the USB-C. Well, I still have my old one, so I think I'm gonna use that. But yeah, let me. Oh, anyway, let me actually open my screen protector. So before we open that thingy, so sabi nila dalawa daw to, so they give me two tempered glass screen protector. So this is the one for more for you, whatever. Tap. So what's this for? I think this is, oh, this is a guideline to, like this. Let me check how to install it. So they give you a manual. Here, take out the product and accessories. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is the wet wipe cleaning cloth dust removal sticker, and then we got two tempered glass. So I'm gonna use one. Yep. So now clean screen with wet wipe and dry screen. Use dust removal sticker to remove dust. Well, so now we're gonna apply the screen protector. So let me just put that there. So we're gonna use this wet wipe cleaning cloth dust removal sticker. So this is this tempered glass. first step. Second, and the dust removal. First, we're gonna wipe it with this wet wipe. Here. Nicely clean. There you go. And this cleaning cloth. There you go. And the dust removal. Dust removal sticker. So it will be free of dust when we apply the screen protector. There you go. Save that here. Then we're gonna place this here to guide us where to put the screen protector. So there. Now the tempered glass. Oopsie. Oh, there. I hope it will go. There you go. We got our tempered glass. Now we have our tempered glass. I'm gonna put my protective case. As of now, we're gonna use this temporarily. I ordered some cases from Shein. Let's see. I got this. Let me just wipe it a little. It's mobile. There you go. This is our new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Ta-da! Okay. Let me check that. Hello? Hello. Hello. Of course, English. Select your country or region. More countries. We're in UAE, so we're gonna put UAE. Yeah. set up manually. Bring your current near the okay. I think I'll just set it up manually. Yep. Continue. Me. Put the Wi-Fi. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Well, I think that's it. I'm gonna explore this mobile and let you know how it is.